Hello everyone, this question is for Nick from Laws of Motion. The question is, two blocks A and B of masses 3m and m are connected by a massless and inextensible string. The whole system is suspended by a massless spring as shown in figure. The magnitude of the acceleration of A and B immediately after the string is cut are respectively option A g by 3, g option B g, g option C, g by 3, g by 3, option D g, g by 3. And the diagram of the given question is given here. For solving this question, first of all we have to consider the FBD just before the string is cut and after the string is cut. So when the before the string is cut, the situation should be like this. The FBD of the entire system will be, there is the block A, and as the spring is connected upward side, so there will be a force, spring force Kx which will act upward, and the string is connected between the masses A and B, so tension force will act downward T, and there is a weight of the block A which is equal to 3 mg which will act downwards. Again, if you consider for the block B, then for the block B, this is our block B. This is our block B whose mass is equal to m, and the tension force of the block B will act upward, and the weight of the block B mg will act downward. So if we write the equation for the first block, then equation for the first block will be equal to Kx will be equal to 3 mg plus T. Let this is our equation number 1. And if you consider the block B, then equation for the block B will be equal to T equal to mg. This is our equation number 2. If we solve simultaneously equation number 1 and 2, then our Kx will be equal to 3 mg plus mg, which will be equal to 4 mg. So our Kx will be equal to 4 mg. Now if you consider the case of just after the string is cut between the block A and B, in that case the tension force will vanishes or become 0. So after the string is cut, the FBD of the system will be like this. There is a block A whose mass is 3m, and as there is no tension force, so there will be only force Kx which will act upward, and there will be 3 mg force which will acting downward. That's the now as the string is cutted between the block A and B, therefore due by the property of the spring, block A will go upward, so acceleration gained by block A will be upward directed, or it will be equal to acceleration of block A or AA, which will act upward. And for the block B, as the string is cutted, so by the normal tendency block B will come downward. So let this one block B, and its weight mg will act downward, and as there is no tension between in the string, because string is cutted, so T will vanishes, and let the acceleration of the block B will be equal to AB. So if we write the equation of laws of motion, then by laws of motion, mass of the block A 3m multiplied by acceleration of the block A AA will be equal to mass equal to force in the direction of acceleration, which is equal to kx minus its opposite force, which is equal to 3 mg. So if you solve this equation, then we'll get 3m into a will be equal to kx minus 3mg. Now, as you already from your equation number 3, as you already get kx equal to 4mg, therefore we have to substitute the value of kx as equal to 4mg minus 3mg, which will be, or we can write 3m multiplied by acceleration of the block A will be equal to mg. Now we can cancel this m and m from both sides of this equation, therefore our acceleration for the block A will be equal to g divided by 3. Again, if you consider the laws of motion equation for the block B, then the equation should be like acceleration mass of the block B, which is equal to m times acceleration of the block B, AB, should be equal to mg. Now we can cancel this m and m from both sides and we'll get the acceleration of the block B, AB, will be equal to g. So from the given option, our acceleration for block A is g by 3 and acceleration for block B is g. Therefore the suitable option is option A, or we can write option A is correct.